How to share a value on different pages in PHP? Well, the answer is PHP Session. We are going to discuss the PHP Session now. PHP Session is one of the significant building blocks. Let's start. What is a PHP session? The session is a technique to store information in variables that can be accessible on all the pages. When a user visits a website by typing the website URL on the browser, at that very moment a session variable is created. The user or client is not aware of the session. However, developers are aware of the session variable and use it to store different data of the user or client. This session variable is unique to each user. This data of a user is used to share and update user information across all the pages of that website. The session variable is available throughout the time until the user closes the browser. Why PHP session is required? The web pages are opening and running via HTTP, and the HTTP cannot maintain the state or user activities. Hence HTTP is called stateless protocol. As HTTP is stateless, we cannot get the information of the user or client of one page on another page. Therefore, we need something that can track user activities, and session is the solution to this problem. Let's enhance the concept with a simple real-life example. Suppose a user signs in successfully on a website. The website has 3 pages such as Home, About, and Contact. We want to add a greeting message with the logged-in username of the user after the successful sign-up process. Here we can store the username in a session variable. This session variable holds the username forever until a user logs out or closes the browser. Now we can display the username on all the pages from the session variable we have just created. How a PHP session variable is created? PHP session variable is created with super global variable $_session, which is an array. We can add a variable to it and then store the value in that variable. Start a PHP session. A session is started with the session_start function. This function has to appear on all the PHP pages, and also this should be the very first line of the page. Create a PHP session variable and store the value. Let's create a session variable with a username when a user signs in successfully. Please have a look and see how we can create a session variable. In this example, we are using super global variable $_session and add the session variable username. We have used brackets because $_session is an array. Get and display PHP session values. Now, we can display the session value on all the pages like this. Simple echo the variable name along with super global $_session. Modify a session variable. When we want to modify a session variable, then just overwrite it with a new value. Here we are updating the username of John with John Doe. Reset a session variable. When we want to delete all the registered session variables, we need to use function session_unset. Destroy a session variable. When we want to destroy the session, we need to use the session_destroy function. Congratulations! You have completed it successfully. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ask your questions in the comment section. Thank you for being with us.